My name is Ellie Bullard and I work for our family business, Bullard & Son. It's a family-run business that was set up by my granddad and my dad just over 30 years ago, and then we have 10 of us working on predominantly educational sites around Hertfordshire. We have about 100 sites that we maintain. We've been using Trimax machines for probably about 10 years. We've had 3 of these machines. We've still got one of the others, so now we run 2 and they work alongside each other beautifully. We've always liked a Trimax mower, and specifically because of its compact design. There are other machines out there that are a bit longer and look sort of a bit bulkier. We need a machine that will cover a large area quickly, but is also compact enough to travel in the very urban areas that we work in. Some of the streets are really tight, there's parked cars both sides, so I can't have anything too large, and it fits perfect. It just follows the tractor fantastic. I can get round trees very easy, goalposts, anything like that. It's so easy to use. I'm very comfortable when I'm using it. I know where I'm at, I know where everything is and how everything works. It's easy to maintain. The cut it gives is great. It handles contours well, and even banks, and it does them very well, and I'm very impressed with it. All these new features that they've brought in have made it even better, and we really like it. I haven't had MLS before this. I love this. I can get into more places than ever before. We have some sort of alleys that are just wide enough for the tractor, so I can just leave the back deck down and get that bit as well, whereas before I'd have just had to have left it. It doesn't use as much fuel as I thought. I can do 2 days on 1 tank of fuel. It's very efficient. It's got a very easy maintenance regime. I'll check it over daily, but you know, you've got weekly greasing and stuff like that. It's a very reliable machine. If you're considering buying a new S5 or upgrading to a new S5, I would say go for it. I really enjoy using it. It's very easy to use. It's really impressed me. So everything's a bit stronger. I love it.